Why is today so important for the entire cryptocurrency space, from Shiba Inu's fate to the moves of the biggest players and the significance of today's events? Did you feel that the market for cryptocurrency just took a nosedive and left everyone scratching their heads? Is Shiba Inu on the verge of collapse? Prepare yourself for an eye-opening journey into the center of the cryptocurrency pandemonium. Without further ado, let's get straight to the point. The cryptocurrency market is now in. Investors are reeling from the abrupt downturn as they try to understand the implications of the significant crash that sent shockwaves through the industry. Notably, the global crypto market cap has dropped by an astounding 6% in the last day alone, signaling widespread turbulence across the board during this market-wide downturn. Not only has popular meme cryptocurrency Shiba Inu not survived, but it saw a noteworthy drop in price of more than 10% during the previous day, increasing investor apprehension. The value of wallet addresses that store this token has been negatively impacted by the decline in the Shiba Inu. The price decline of Shiba Inu has had a major effect on wallet address profitability, forcing many holders to confront the grim reality of break-even or even loss points. This tendency is supported by statistics from within the block, which shows a noticeable increase in the number of addresses holding Shiba Inu at break-even or loss points. Expressing the general apprehension among investors, additional analysis of the block reveals an alarming rise in addresses near break-even, indicating that a significant percentage of this surge in the purchasing Shiba Inu tokens during the market correction demonstrates the speculative nature of investor activity during periods of increased volatility. Investors entered the market during the most recent correction phase. With a sizable percentage of addresses now at break-even or loss, the road ahead for Shiba Inu remains uncertain. The notable increase in addresses at break-even highlights the difficulties faced by Shiba Inu investors, many of whom are currently battling the uncertainty surrounding their investments. Increasing the fear engulfing the cryptocurrency market, but what specifically happened to cause today's sharp market decline? You might be surprised to learn that it was the startling 80% decline in inflows to the Bitcoin ETF in just one day. This startling statistic is a poignant indication because significant inflows to the Bitcoin ETF were crucial in driving cryptocurrency prices to unprecedented heights, with Bitcoin seemingly hitting new all-time highs every day. So what exactly is going on in the cryptosphere and what's ahead on this roller coaster? Roller coaster experience. Are we seeing the end of an era, or are we still in for some upheaval? The answers to these urgent questions might just change the course of the whole cryptocurrency market. As a result, external factors like the abrupt decline in Bitcoin ETF inflows have an impact on the whole cryptocurrency market, including the price of Shiba Inu. The decline in Bitcoin ETF inflows is a warning sign of declining investor confidence and a decrease in capital entering the larger cryptocurrency ecosystem, since Bitcoin continues to be a major driver of market. Let's analyze the fascinating insight revealed in the Twitter post on Bitcoin's all-time highs. Any negative developments impacting its investment instruments can cascade down to influence the prices of Shiba Inu and other altcoins. When Bitcoin rises over its prior all-time highs, it usually heralds a period of increased volatility that is marked by swings both up and down. The psychological impact of breaking the previous price is what causes this volatility. Hurdles that cause a flurry of speculation and trade activity, but after this volatility passes, a phase of price discovery occurs. The term discovery describes a time when market players reevaluate an asset's true value free from previous price ceiling constraints. Prices may fluctuate during this phase as market forces attempt to reach equilibrium based on basic elements and investor sentiment. This process frequently results in the emergence of new price trends and the determination of levels at which prices may be sustained. The significance of the highest points in Bitcoin history goes beyond just how its price trajectory affects Shiba Inu and the larger cryptocurrency market. Bitcoin also creates a precedent for the market by reaching new heights. Investor attitude and behavior that affects participants' confidence levels throughout the cryptocurrency landscape and, as a result, changes in the price of Bitcoin can act as leading indicators for altcoins, such as Shiba Inu, impacting their price fluctuations and market dynamics. For investors looking to successfully traverse the complexities of the cryptocurrency market, comprehending the relationship between the all-time highs of Bitcoin and the price volatility of Shiba Inu is essential. Additionally, remember that if we zoom out on returning to Shiba Inu and its metrics, we find that despite the recent price dip, a notable trend among investors in the fund is that they are choosing to hold on to their assets fueled by a steadfast optimism about future price increases. Looking at the monthly volume for the 10 Bitcoin ETFs, we find that March is only half over but has already smashed the numbers from February and January with $65 billion. Many holders' steadfast belief in the long-term potential of Shiba Inu is demonstrated by their unwillingness to relinquish their jobs. This hodl culture stemmed from the optimism that Shiba Inu could hit higher grounds, but with the recent price collapse, some of these addresses have now slipped to losses, with most currently at break-even. As a result, addresses at loss have increased to 270,000. For example, even in the midst of market turbulence, most of these addresses chose not to sell off their assets even when Shiba Inu shot up to the cycle peak on March 5 despite seeing profit on their holdings. Representing 20% of all Shiba Inu holders, this rate was 12% as of March 6. In addition, profits are currently being seen in up to 66% of wallets, or over 800,000 addresses, down from 84% on March 6. However, as we delve deeper into the specifics of the crypto market's future, an interesting analysis from a Twitter user shedding light on possible price movements emerges. According to this analysis, the price of Bitcoin is expected to rise significantly, with estimates reaching toward an incredible $90,000 mark, which would represent a 30% increase over today's price. If this surge materializes, it could have significant effects on the overall cryptocurrency market. Interestingly, this prediction begs the question of whether the price fluctuations of Bitcoin and Shiba Inu are correlated, with Bitcoin experiencing confident but slower price spikes. Shiba Inus perform the exact opposite. Rather, when people lose faith in them, their prices abruptly decide to soar. However, these price spikes are not occurring if the price of Bitcoin is not increasing at all. Enhancing the depth of this analysis, this distinction suggests that the cryptocurrency market's growth potential may far exceed the 30% surge projected for Bitcoin, hinting at a larger scale expansion on the horizon. A Twitter user clarified that the $90,000 target is not indicative of the end of the bull market but rather a milestone within the current run. These insights serve to fuel investor optimism, bolstering confidence in the resilience and long-term viability of the cryptocurrency. That may be one of the reasons why Shiba Inu holders prefer to hold on to their cryptocurrency rather than sell it. Of course, even though these insights provide insightful perspectives on the possible trajectory of the cryptocurrency market, investors must always keep in mind that time will tell the final word, so they must proceed cautiously and with knowledge and awareness. What are your thoughts on that? Please share your thoughts in the comments section below. This brings this film to a conclusion. If you would like to view more, please click on one of the videos you see on the screen. I would be happy to hear your thoughts. If you were pleased with In order to help me with the YouTube algorithm, if you could like and comment on this video, please do so. You can also help spread the word about this story by sharing it with as many people as you can.